megalayapost.news.
Banner we can see here, it is written expansion of Barapani. Barapani Shillong. Okay, fine, Barapani. This is not Barapani. This is Umuroy. Why don't you correct in your documents? It has to be Umuroy Airport. If it's Barapani, you go to that lake and fly your flight over there. That is Barapani.
Nakajinghe juga katling sunyi umroy kebron 1,000 square meter. Bat hakani ke kenti ke bamenta ke sarkar ke sapene biang ya kani ke katling sunyi sa 1,000 square meter. Naga benda manelat ya kiling sunyi gibahe bakin wan hiar hakani ke katling sunyi. Kabalong kejing mentoi naga benta ke jela. Habakan kilum hadin kejing penhe ya kani ke katling sunyi. Kajinghe jong kani ke katling sunyi kan poi syaka 10,000 square meter. Kentup ke berim bat ke batmai. Hakani kejing penhe ya kani ke katling sunyi ke sarkar dia lengba ke airport authority open dia kelamang adu 1,000 klur tingka nak benta ketika projek ban penhe e kini ke katling suin hamroy ban pensiapai ba alor ke jing temu ke airport authority of India ban penhe e kini ke katling suin Megalia State Pollution Control Board minta kasi kelap pelong ya ke jing peseng pajba e ke pajba abad kamtam ni ke trai jaka bakin ujor ni pensengau la daki don kono ke jing persya ni ujor halor kene ke jing penhe e ke katling suin la sakir kum balong hadu menta kiling suin gi bala ban wan ha kini ke katling suin ki dei tang kiling suin gi berit na ka daw ke jing rit jong ka jaka Henry la dala ban penhe no e kini katling suin en salak ban wan kiling suin gi bahe belatip kum ki Airbus A320 ki balak ban kit ya ki nolek ne wan hadu sispa prapungun balak ru banun yang hadu santli ki Airbus A320 haga ba menta pat dang la ban yang tang southli kiling suin gi beren na ki nong mi khmat ke airport authority of India ki la pensai ru ha kene singi ba ka jing penhe e kene ka katling suin ka dei na ka banta ka runway ka jakai har bat jaka kiu kiling suin bat kum juru ya ka terminal Lapan syairu balada dep ban penhe e kene kaling suin kiling suin na kene kaling suin kila ban her se Mumbai Bangalore Chennai bat kiwi kinong ba ke India bat kajing temu golong ru ban kentiu wi kayo kon bat ru ban kring ya kinong jengok kai perthai na keleng geri ban nasabari ban wan bek ha kene kaling suin pakim don kam ju ban her ne lek leng ba ke airport Guwahati susu ha kene jing seng poi ba la sim benta da kinong ilam sinong bat kitrai jaka ha ke ba kim don gono jing persya bat ki kloi ban priang na benta ka roi ke par jong ka jela hendrai ke ai ke ba penseu golong ban aikam jam ya ki Sumatera jela badru bakate ke katling suin kandai ban trikam tikna kumbala temu bad om ban sange no sitengpor ke bolong ke jingdu nong ya ki pai ba ke jela
ti ka budget hi jong ni ka project ke Sun Spa crore 500 crore is the budget of this airport expansion project ti kumban suong ningkong hakabari bat kani ka terminal building kadi ka building hakaba ki passengers ki wan ki len te kumba mentahi ka area jong kate ka terminal building kadi kumba 1,000 square feet meter te hadien anda hadien ba adat ban expand ya kate kan kot kumba syaka 1,000 square feet meter te ya ka capacity hi ka bamenta hi ka de kumba aspa passengers ka ba kala ya ka ban occupy at present te hadian la ada expand ya ka pat kan kot syaka praspa shipo passengers kemot ki ba lek praspa shipo bat ki bawan hian nang te praspa shipo ada pi total lang ta kan long kumba kan rius pa arpo de nang ta de hakabai de bat ka runway de ka jing penhe ko mangla ong mene ka de nam ta ka runway bat ya ka airport hi bro ko we te ka runway hadien kumba ka long menta ka de ka jing ka area jong ka balong khat pras pa alp kondai meter la south pusan meter bat kat kum ka kat kum ki aircraft ya ba operate menta kat kum ka jingman jong kenika runway ka de ka ETR te ka jing kabor jong ka ban kit ki passengers ka de hado kumba nyu pun rio ngut ki passengers hadian beladat expand ya kani kan kot naka khat pras pa ar khundai meter syaka 8,000 pa meter la 10% meter kaban la ya kaban support lani ban kershan ya ki aircraft ki bahe lani ki liang sun ki bahe ki ba hadu lais pa arpo ke aircraft A320 Airbus ke bagi ong Airbus 320 ke bala ban kiet ya ki passengers ki bahadu shispa prapongut ti nang tadi ha ka bedai bat ka jaka parking jong kiling sun ti ya mentahi kani ke airport kanang la ban ajaka tang hadu sau kali kiling sun te hadian baladap expand ya ka on sala pat ban kershan hadu lani ban aja ka hadu santli kiling sun te ngakwa ru ya ban keren kenjat sepang hagabade bat ka ajaka lani kata ka area hakabaka ni ka project ka propose te kumba hadu ia ka bamentahi kadon kumba saus pa kan view ika di na kebentakan ke project ban expand ke airport kumba R2R ikan area kin sayo na ke sorkar jong kajela Meghalaya di yang mentahi ke sorkar kadang don hakataka proses ban yo ya dijaka ki badan kam katkum ke project jong ke Airport Authority of India di nang tadi hadian onda hadian Bangladesh ya kapan expand ya kini onda hadian Bangladesh ya kapan tray ya kini ke project ninyo aru ya kapan ya ka aero bridge ka bahadu artili ti kendiat ngakwa ya kapan subatai hapadeng jongi hangne ba ya ka aero bridge ni don kam na kabenta ki passengers ki ban lek bat ki bawan menta kumbang itet hi bakam padon ke aero bridge te hakal air uslap ki passengers si babuan ki Shanjing Air te ki hapan ra mo ya laki jong ki setri lani don ki bomdon setri ki ji hakal air uslap te kalong sha ke penjenjar ki passengers hakal kawan te dak jing don jong ni ka aero bridge kan pensup ya ki bahian bat kan pensup ya ki balik kemot kim don kam shu kim dan kam shu ban sha ai le Islam
dan aku por yo snow ni gin pen he ya kata pot of great ya ka andre hado kili kismi bam taru nyimpat yo ya kata kaban long successful kita ki ba kaplan kumbala ya keren ki orang ba sakmat wi masa asyok tendo ba khamtam ni masa seliang ibala mention sibun ni kijing sisa jong ja lenti kijong kene ka airport dengan snow ban pau ya ka ka ba master seliang iladat ban ay kijing keren ban support ni sispa persen ya kijing keren dong yang kersan kumju na gitu ki baya keren baro henry ka mga kuat ban pau kalong nyimdon ban ya kijing persya kan lene objection ya kata kijing smu jong ka airport ban penhe niya ya ka ni kemi lenti hi menginyo AA lada kanwan kita ki development ban upgrade dan ban expand ya ka kumbakadon ya ka plan kita di dapat kejama kalom ba omdei tang persmol ke hering bat ban bu tang kita di state route ya ka kam nang ba ka ka bang kemi lenti kanlong kading mentoy ba mangiru nginyo ya kading mentoy
Nado kita por pengi Schneider ni boundary wall, tangtu ngelajan nak sipor tentang lawan pai yang hadin prasnem. Ban ngelayo biang ya kini ke project ban pek ban monitor ini project ban pek ini ke expansion ya ke jintit yang bercakap ni kita cakap. But bangala lap ba let's say mentahi ke por kini ke expansion ke bingila angnot la slem kan urlong no mentah. Na kipor nilai long meeting apa Shillong ban Putin ia ke progress jom ni ke kam mendetan paham ni apa Shillong watcha baru da nilai sibon ki progress ia kini ke expansion jom Bumrah Airport pad nak liang jom office su ni tray lang hi parkirang Bashnong hawat kita di kut teng tang bangi ngakuap pantun paham ni pa nak liang jom office ngis ngau don bok banyo kinong ilam snong hangi po di boy kam tam ni tan pumroy namar ba barok ki ramba snong ki member snong tu syai wan don kam wan panjing yarap ki wan ajing mod ki wan persyaro andai ki beriu ki ba amnut shisha ya ka development hi jong ka thain di boy barok ka wei
tamba ka wei ngan su ajing mod ba kum gặp public hearing ki pa ba nong susnong le se kam tam ki land owners ki ba sakta most affected mo land owners ki de bendon lang ki de ben yo snow de skor andai ngai i ko ba ong ashok mene ka suki ka thlilut tengan danyo hang ne kinong susnong kanamut kidan toyang ne omdan tangi kato kane batip menta niwan syutip bet acanok kumbang ketin hindi acanok se te kane ka e msutna ngamde bekentok msutna te tong ipriang sabha ya ka e ka baka sarkar ni yaro ya ka nakbenta ka development ni yaro ni ay kublay ba kibor bahalor kile namta ka jimentoy ban develop ya ka ri bat ka jat penriu ya ka state ya ka ri India bar ko te hagaju ko por na ajimot ho nilai kran spang tungkam tungjam jobs kemo ka job reservation lane dai you tigidan kita ki skill bala kran mene to kita ngipriang lada komla ndon unong presnong banang ne ka than ga area umroi area baro ko kam tam din san snong ai lat shagi weiro
bang angi kersan bang yundon kono kono jing persa ya kan dikejing penhe ya kan dika airport namar baka dikejing kurku ga bakra dan rengim kwa baka dikejing penhe kan kut tang ikut sada kata ka dika bana kalim jing long concern namar ka por ni snow ban penhe ban penhe hare lakut gisdam kawai ka pateng kalek kawai generation kalek ru kani ka purlang tiga ka bana kalim jung kinong ilam snong ni don ni ka ban pen snow syai EDM ikon kat pangiang ni bakal long ko kubor sya ka sorkar jela ka jungi bakin ai ka pressure ya ka airport authority of India bikin perstep ya kan kam namar bangim kwa bakani ka jimpenhe ya kan ka airport kat bakadi banlong menta ikwa ban pendep no ka generation jungi ngim kwa abadi kun kisi dengan pendep kapoin ka baar ka bangakwa ban pensno hang ni ngalayo ban priang ya ka jimpentip menimit kendai sitan lembah ka WhatsApp kila pentip bakal dan ke public hearing. Kat ke public hearing, ban priang le persya ia ka jimpenhe airport. Mudur mupi menemit yo menta step ni hak badwan. Tingi is no concern ya ka jim expand ni airport takadaw ni perlak ka por ka pakodo ni bandon na kani kesni. Bat sakoi ka point sa ngakwa ban shim na kani ka jim perbana ba. Latho ya ka tin kasi ka bang kumni. Ka letterhead hang ni kalong Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. Kajing pernah ba detik Shillong Electric September ada arsan dak ni la penting ba apa Shillong Airport Umroi jong ka office Airport Authority of India katmu ban penhe ya kat lingsun Barapani Shillong kentup ya runway extension penhe ya terminal building bat apron bat kiwi kam kibayade bat kani haru ing soba Surdarship East Khasi Hill District Meghalaya lalu mo habang yo pule ya kani ke habang bat penhe ya ka Shillong Airport lada berkeren di ba liang mene kamde ka Shillong Airport ka di Barapan Airport ong takata hang ne la ong ru bakani kande haruing soba Surdarship East Khasi Hill District Meghalaya apa yo jing sai na concern department hai ka don kan garuing hang ne po riboy dan raka tapi ta garuing ka don support soba kumno ka badi ban penhe apa Umrah Airport pira support soba hato kani kamde kajing careless nak kani concern department imat ya kani kajing kutip la su copy and paste tiap apa copy and paste da correct suam pinsam supaya ba kalau kajing ibe tipi kakuni chairman bansan ya kani members committee bansan ya kani ka notice kanong ibe ka khamat jung pai ba hakhamat jong ka jela ka jungi kiwi kani kistik kiwi kani kalong kajing ibe dengan nakal yang jong ngakwa amde bang persa areng pen ka mistake jong pi ba kani ka jaka ban penlong ya ka public hearing kamde po ruba sora Surdarship East Khasi Hill District hari gade po Riboy District Terus aku apa ni macam percaya nak ka concern department balik kalau gumni dia ka arpat ngabang itu ka ketika kerteng ru bagi soba ban pendek namar ngiwan hang ni bagi kwa ban kersan ya kani ka jing penhe ya ke airport. Kama apa? Kamalay pat kamang kwa bankan hang ni kalong ba. Kung balong menta kadon ka gap. Da kabuburong. Kadon kata kakaharay ka ba kambon ka jing itilang happening ka Airport Authority of India bat kidor bar snong jong kani ka surrounding. Lada kambon ka jing itilang i pa kadon ka jing mala sizes ni namar ba habangi warra ya kanu ka jing karoy ka pa gidon kam to pi kidor bar snong. Lada don ka jing itilang happening ka bar snong kam don jing nama ka jing itili kalong ka bo. Tinama kata-kata ka pangakwa ka banbu hakmat jong kini ki officer ki bawan napo ka district nang taki kini ki officer napo ka Airport Authority of India ru snobhase kandon kata ka jing trilang hapadeng ki dorbar snong jong kani ka surrounding ka badan marjan bakani ka airport nang bakanum don kuno ka jing la sajis ni
menin kong ki khat ya ki hearing omdon kasi ki bawan kita kham sudah ngawan ki hearing ka ban kong do ka bapat hangte handai omdon ki bawan ki kasi ki officer kot no tang dokumen bat kumju anda ha bakani ki airport kendala kenhe ngang scam bagi kasi jumi tapi ki don ki pos ki bakher ki khon sama ki long ki bana kasi hi ngana om kan tho nang ngana nom kan tho badai tang ni tha jani ho ki tha jani ki don ki jong ki pa jong ki ngang scam ada tentu kum mai kirang ba ki tentu ki don ki jong so ba pi thong kan so ba pi thong kan khnang na kan tai ki khon sama jing ni kong na kan ka por ha kan ki jaka lada om dan su ni la simpan na sewe ka ben ni kong wa ban kham ong ni bisa pa phim dei ban ai ka por ka ban likot le se na ma ki ko jingi ki don batre sabar ki dang don ki jing pule sabar ki ma ban thep ya ka pos ki jong ki la pi ai kong ki jing pertah hearing ke bamina masen ki mon por wat kan silok ki kot lu nama ki tip hi pasien sa than jengi kalai kam da don batalit hakha de ka jenting la da ki tip hak dak ya ka baminta de nga kerpa ni visa la da don ki pos ki bala semua ba ai por pentep se ki ram pasno pentep ai ha ki youtube ka ba ai ki youtube bakan like ki pos sang ta ki kon sama ki la pentep wala ki don sa jangai ru ni ki la pentep ki
Aku tu kecik pensai mana kita ni kendiak ke bang akwa bang keli bani syai bah. Nama kita ke expansion ke bang Sunspa square meter ne square feet ne kita tu kamsyai. Nama ke square feet square meter kita nak ke jongka. Jingi per ke bang jangai Teman kecik pensai itu kita bang kecik penhe kalau kata square feet meter orang teh, kamu itu dalam kuat bani syai. Jika tu pun sebab lagi syai bersebut, baik bah. I want to clarify regarding that expansion of airport. Okay, they have highlighted that it is about 5,000 square feet meter. What is the point? Is it square feet or square meter? So please rectify that so that we will be satisfied. So I'm very happy to stand here today regarding this airport because I am as I am also because of the airport, we can say. During my childhood, I studied in a school here in airport. There was a school here. I was the student of Umroi Airport School. During that time, only Viaduct and Indian Airlines, if I'm not mistaken, is flying over this airport. Since my childhood till date, we are very sad to say that it is not fully operational or not fully functional. It is just like a waves, we can say. Sometimes we see so many flights coming, 8 flights a day also. But now, single flight or even 2 flights a day, what is all this thing about? So the question is, we, the people, the local people from this area, we have sacrificed our land. Even though you have compensated our land, still it's okay. We have sacrificed for the development of the state as a whole, for the connectivity of national level, we can say, to our state. We have only this one good airport here, but it is sad to know why is it not fully functional. So now you keep on expansion. So with this new expansion also, we have doubt now whether this expansion is just an expansion. But what about the flight operating in this airport? The big question is now to the Airport Authority of India, we can say. You have to answer this question. Why you cannot operate it in such a way like comparing to other states in Northeast India? People can come easily, people can connect easily to the state, but why not in Meghalaya? As a resident of Meghalaya, as a resident of this local village, I am very upset to see this. So from our side, we are fully cooperative with you all. Anything, like what those two gentlemen have said, we always cooperate with you in any way. What problem, no matter what problem you're facing, but still we want to make it in a smooth way. So we are not against the airport. We are not against the development. We are for the development. So what my question is, we have no objection. We do fully support to upgrade this airport. But the question is now to the government. I'm sorry to say that why it is not fully operational. So that is my point. One point, okay? The second point is actually from the very banner we can see here, it is written expansion of Barapani. Barapani Shillong. Okay, fine, Barapani. This is not Barapani. This is Umroi. Why don't you correct in your documents? It has to be Umroi Airport. If it's Barapani, you go to that lake and fly your flight over there. That is Barapani. So, if now even by the time when I enter here, when I see this banner, I was confused whether it is whether today we are sitting here for our Umrah Airport or it is a new expansion for the airport in that new area in Barapani. I was confused. But now, if you want to cooperate with us, the point that we raised to you also, please correct it. From now on, Barapani should not be there. It has to be, if it is Umroi, why not? What is hard to write with Umroi? Umroi Airport, okay? So that is my second point to raise. And the third point, we have sacrificed, as I have said, our lands. We are working together with the headman and with the people of the surrounding villages. Whatever the airport needed, okay, we will give our land and get compensation no matter it is for the development of our area. Since we have sacrificed our land, that means like we have been talking about the employment problem also. So please recruit the locals. First preference should be the locals. Because, okay, we know, as they have highlighted, that there are so many posts like this, so many grade in employment, right? Grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, whatever. It doesn't mean that we demand that from our area you appoint us as pilot. No, we don't want like that because we don't have pilot. If we have pilot, you have to appoint him also. But if we don't have, why should we want the thing that we cannot afford? We want only those type of work that our locals can do. Sweeper also chalega, cleaner also chalega, whatever. But it has to be according to the capacity of the locals. That is my third point to be raised to the Airport Authority of India.
Which means the total area can be 4,004 square meter. With the number one more. Number two, basically, Basilyang. Yung ba ke guarantee mo ba lasay ng penhe yung is not properly functional, lasay kan he kan functional. Aswal pentig pi ba da kawan ka lingsun behe lingsun behe, the diversion of flight will be very less. Mo ko ganun don diversion and plus kanika lingsun behe de kalaban fly long distance. Lawan kanik na Shillong to Bangalore, Shillong to Chennai. Long that coming Monday nang near Calcutta, change of flight and list to. That's one thing. And I think Barapani, I think we'll have to change that. I think we'll take up with the head office and we'll change that name. And the last one, the parking day, the South Shasan. Nashwan Kuntip ba, the parking Matagade 4 Southerly, Lamantakini Lingsun Burit, ATR 72, Q400. And Lasang Penhe, Kanika parking Sun is for the Airbus 320. When you park Santali Airbus 320, Lingsun Behe.
Basically, the Shillong Airport is being expanded. Right now, we have 1829 meters of runway. We are going to expand for another 571 meters. So total 2,400 meters will be the length of the runway. Then bigger aircraft like A320 can land here. Accordingly, we are going to expand the terminal building also. Presently, it is 5,000 square meters. After expansion, it will be 10,500 square meters. Besides that, we are going to increase the number of bay where aircraft are being parked, and bigger aircraft will be parked. These are the main things. Great in terms of now it's a 3C code. In terms of 3C code, and it will become 4C, something like that. It will become 4C codes. Actually, right now, the expansion works will be taken over by the agencies. We will ensure that that's as far as possible, the semi-skilled peoples, unskilled peoples are taken from the nearby villages. For others, we will ensure that according to their qualifications, needs, we will definitely ensure them that people from highly skilled and other specialized skills are also given the opportunities. It's almost about 70 to 80% people are from local here. We ensure that the agencies who employ the peoples are from nearby villages here. And local people only. What will the requirement we will see? Definitely. Now suppose that passenger footfall is 1.5 million per year. Suppose that then it will go to around, we hope that the 5 to 6. So definitely the things will be increased to 3 to 4 times. Regards CSRs, right time, last time we have taken up the Dhobi Ghat, something like that, and this time we have got the proposal from one blind school that proper facility and hostel facility should be there. We are working on it.
Actually, regarding diversion of the drain within the airport, we have already met Commissioner and Secretary Transport. We will be working with the Irrigation Department to properly divert the drain to the location.
We will take the remediation actions. So that's we actually the land acquisition will be taken by the state government right now. We are the beneficiaries. So this answer can be given by the state government only.
Right
It's a tendering stage. It's the tendering stage. We are working on it. So it takes time. It's a lot of departments are involvement. So I can't say right now, but as far as it will take around 18 months, something like that. After award of votes, it will take 18 months. Hopefully, let's see what happens. We have advertised it. We have asked each and every people to come and join us. In fact, yesterday we visited the local nearby villages also to build the headmen and secretaries. So, what is the reason I can't say? But we have asked everybody to come here. We have published in papers, in 2 papers also. Where a lot of people from nearby villages are working here in the airports only. So there are right publicity, as is not. Yes, why?
So many chairs, but
so actually we are not aware how many people are aware. This is the first time, so we will assess it for next time.
are you happy with this?
No, we have asked everybody to come. We have not objected anything. We have made an arrangement also. So I was very just positive about it.
Meghalaya Post.news